Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Youngermi Syrum is probably one of the most sought-after supplements for those looking to enhance their overall well-being, and for good reason, as it's packed with a potent blend of ingredients designed to support everything from cognitive function to physical vitality, making it a standout choice in a crowded market for anyone prioritizing a proactive approach to their health and seeking a reliable, high-quality product to integrate into their daily routine. Number 5. Even Naturals Multi-Peptide Face Serum. Discover the power of advanced skin care with our multi-peptide face serum. It's designed to target the signs of aging and restore your skin's natural vitality. Experience a noticeable boost in skin elasticity. This serum helps to plump and firm your complexion, giving you a smoother, more supple feel. Turn back the clock on visible aging. Our potent formula works to renew the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, revealing a more youthful look. Indulge in a skincare experience that's both effective and gentle. It's formulated without fragrance, making it suitable for even sensitive skin. Embrace firmer, more radiant skin with this revitalizing facial treatment. Achieve a visibly renewed and healthy-looking complexion with consistent use. Harness the benefits of collagen peptides to support your skin structure. This serum is crafted to enhance firmness and promote a healthy skin barrier. What we like. This serum is packed with collagen peptides to help plump and firm your skin. It's designed to renew the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. If you're looking for a fragrance-free option to boost skin elasticity, this is a great choice. What people say. Goes on your skin nicely and without causing rashes or bumps, like some others. It works well and adds moisture. This serum has a lightweight, fluid consistency that spreads easily and absorbs quickly without leaving residue. It layers well with other products and does not pill under moisturizer or sunscreen. The formula is fragrance-free and did not cause irritation during use. With regular use, skin felt more hydrated and smoother in texture. Fine lines related to dryness appeared less noticeable over time, and overall skin elasticity felt slightly improved. Number 4. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of our Vitamin C Serum, a potent blend designed to revitalize your complexion. It works to reveal a brighter, more youthful appearance. Combat the visible signs of aging with this advanced formula. It targets fine lines and wrinkles, helping to smooth and firm your skin. Tired of dark spots? This serum is formulated to visibly improve their appearance. Achieve a more even and luminous skin tone. Experience deep hydration thanks to the inclusion of hyaluronic acid. It plumps the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Enriched with vitamin E, it provides antioxidant benefits to nourish your skin. Protect your skin while enhancing its natural glow. Gentle yet effective, this serum is suitable for all skin types. Enjoy its benefits regardless of your skin's unique needs. What we like. Infused with vitamin C, this serum brightens your complexion and tackles dark spots. It also contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E for a powerful anti-aging effect. If you want to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and have all skin types, consider this option. What people say. It makes my skin look brighter and smoother. It absorbs quickly and doesn't feel sticky. My skin is more glowing and brightened. I like that it leaves my skin feeling nourished and hydrated. Absorbs well into the skin. It's lightweight, absorbs fast, and doesn't leave any sticky or greasy feel, just fresh, hydrated skin. After consistent use, my complexion looks brighter and more even, and fine texture feels softer too. Number 3. Tree of Life Beauty Facial Skin Care Trio Power Kit. Discover the secret to a firmer, more hydrated complexion. This powerful trio is designed to revitalize your skin, leaving it looking and feeling its best. Experience the combined benefits of vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. These key ingredients work together to address dryness and promote a youthful glow. Rest assured, this skincare set has been dermatologist tested for your peace of mind. It's formulated to be effective and gentle on your skin. Combat dryness and embrace a firmer appearance. This kit delivers essential hydration to plump your skin and reduce the look of fine lines. Incorporate these 3 potent formulas into your daily routine. Achieve a visibly healthier and more radiant complexion with consistent use. See a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and tone. This set is your go-to for achieving a smooth, supple, and revitalized look. What we like. This trio kit offers a powerful combination of vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid for comprehensive skin renewal. It's formulated to hydrate and firm, making it ideal for dry skin concerns. If you prefer a multi-step approach and seek dermatologist-tested efficacy, this set is for you. What people say. The serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It has a pleasant, subtle scent that is not overpowering. My skin feels noticeably smoother and more hydrated after using it for a week. Number 2. L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Introducing the L'Oréal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This powerful serum is designed to deeply hydrate your skin. Experience intense hydration that plumps your skin from within. It works to replenish moisture for a smoother feel. This anti-aging serum is formulated to visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Achieve a more youthful look with consistent use. Enjoy the benefits of our fragrance-free formula. It's gentle on your skin, making it suitable for daily application. Designed for all skin types, this serum is a versatile addition to any skincare routine. It helps improve skin's overall texture and appearance. See a noticeable difference in your skin's hydration and smoothness. It's your secret to revitalized and radiant skin. What we like. Featuring 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, this serum provides intense hydration to your skin. It effectively works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. If you have all skin types and are looking for a fragrance-free formula to combat dryness and fine lines, this is a solid pick. What people say. It has made my well over 40 skin look fresh and plump. It takes time, usually about 6 months use, but the results are clearly visible, and my skin on my face and neck feel like a baby's rear end. This is easy to apply around my eyes, and on my throat. It also mixes well with moisturizer and tinted cream. It does not irritate my very sensitive skin. I've been using the L'Oréal Revitalift 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid serum and I'm very impressed. The texture is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave a sticky or greasy feeling. It instantly makes my skin feel more hydrated and smoother. With consistent use, my skin looks more plump and refreshed. It layers well under moisturizer and makeup, which is a big plus. Number 1. Vichy Mineral 89 Booster Serum. Discover the power of Vichy Mineral 89 Booster. This pure hyaluronic acid serum is designed to deeply hydrate your skin. Formulated with polyglutamic acid, it works to repair and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Experience a healthier, more resilient complexion. Watch as it instantly plumps and hydrates your skin, leaving it feeling supple and refreshed. Achieve a visibly smoother appearance. Enjoy its lightweight, oil-free texture that absorbs quickly without any sticky residue. It's the perfect addition to any skincare routine. Reveal a radiant, dewy glow with this essential hydrating serum. Your skin will feel revitalized and beautifully moisturized all day long. What we like. This booster serum combines hyaluronic acid with polyglutamic acid for enhanced skin barrier repair. It plumps and hydrates without a sticky feel, offering a lightweight experience. If you need to strengthen your skin barrier and desire deep hydration with a non-oily finish, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This made a noticeable difference in hydration and overall glow. My skin looks smoother, more refreshed, and less irritated. It feels like my skin is getting a glass of water every morning and night. I love the texture. It's beautifully light, fresh, and non-sticky, and it absorbs instantly and leaves my skin feeling smooth, and I feel hydrated without any heaviness. It's helped me with my fine lines, and I think my skin feels more resilient, stronger, and noticeably softer. Highly recommend this. This serum is the best pure hyaluronic acid serum. It gives an amazing glow, and its texture dries quickly without leaving a sticky residue. Your skin will show improvement within 2 weeks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.